starting. Let's get our water up. Oh no.
I let my corn chips go out. That's probably never been said before.
Well, that doesn't work. You gotta take the grill off. Need a few more corn chips.
Yeah, blow on it. That always works.
Man, that's a lot of smoke.
Apparently, that doesn't work on corn chips.
Gotta get it running. I need a little stick like this. This is what I need.
This is a condition called pyrolysis. It's how we make char cloth. You know what's going to happen right here. Let's see that again. Boom.
See steam? It's good enough. Bourbon blend ground coffee. It's a little finer ground than I think it should be. I'm gonna give it a little gentle stir. It smells really good. You don't have to boil it hard. It's just a steep after it reaches that temperature. Just like that. Let that steep. You want? Just a little flame. It's going to catch up. Get our pan on there. And that's going to get really hot. Really, really quick. I think I need some ghee or butter. I thought maybe the bacon would have enough grease, but no. And now my fire's burning down. Gonna get my gloves. I think we need more corn chips. Too many? Probably. Now, over here, these eggshells.
That's how it's supposed to work.
Now, let's put some better eggs in here. And let's work on our coffee. I don't see any grind. I do see eggshells. Cowboy coffee. I'm going to leave a little room at the top for cool water. Well, I know it's a little unconventional, but I don't care. It's really good. And how about a piece of bacon? Yeah. There you have it. Bacon and eggs. That's good. It's probably the best cowboy coffee I've ever made. It's really good. Try that. This is Mike, Mike's Wild World. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Like and subscribe if you can, and leave a comment. It's a wild world, so get out there, and thanks for watching.